Welcome to KSB state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Cibitung, the heart of innovation and quality. From initial concept to final delivery, we provide pumps, valves, and services that empower various applications and drive success. Here at our assembly facility, we focus on optimizing the domestic component level, TKDN, including for our dewatering pump sets, D&D series, and dredgers. Our efficient assembly process ensures that each pump set is assembled with precision and speed. Each pump is customized to ensure optimal performance and function for different applications. Balancing impellers is a critical part of our process. Properly balanced impellers ensure optimal performance and longevity of our products. Each part we create is meticulously crafted and measured to ensure the highest levels of accuracy. With in-house fabrication, we enhance local component levels through precision craftsmanship. By fabrication components in-house, we ensure faster turnaround times and greater control production process, delivering excellence and reliability in every component we produce. Through our sandblasting facility, we strengthen the corrosion resistance of our components. By focusing on quality and corrosion resistance, we deliver durable and reliable components that stand the test of time. Our special paint formulations provide superior protection against corrosion, ensuring the longevity and reliability of our products. Our facility is equipped with a special scrubber system, as we are committed to environmentally friendly practices. At our testing facility, every pump and valve undergo rigorous testing to ensure optimal performance. Our facility is equipped with state-of-the-art testing equipment that meets international standards for pump and valve performance tests. By testing 100% of our products, we guarantee that every pump and valve delivered to our customers performs flawlessly. As part of our commitment in delivering reliable and high-performing pumps and valves to meet the needs. Our warehouse maintains a strict code of organization paired with streamlined, efficient logistics to ensure timely deliveries of our products to customers. The new 2,000 square meter service workshop, coupled with a 20-ton overhead crane 2x 500 kilogram jib crane, is part of KSB's commitment to sustains development, ensuring customer satisfaction and delivering service excellence for our customers. Our Supreme Serve workshop serves as a cornerstone of support. KSB Supreme Serve performs maintenance and repairs in its specialized workshop staffed exclusively by service specialists, where all types of pumps are covered, repair, maintenance, and servicing at the KSB workshop with detail offerings including repairing and overhauling pump, single to multi-stage, submersible pump, vertical turbine pump, including non-KSB pumps, repairing and overhauling KSB valves, reverse engineering KSB and non-KSB pumps, as well as retrofit. As one of the world's leading suppliers of pumps and valves, KSB is committed to developing more than just efficient and reliable products. We develop solutions that enrich the daily lives of our customers and partners, creating a better future together.